Happy Vlogmas Day 3! Yay! Yeah, it's late. Again, I was in the office today and did not get a chance to come down here before I left to go downtown, but I am now home. I got changed into my beautiful new loungewear set and I absolutely love it. The only thing I don't love is that as soft as it is outside, the underside of this fabric is very polyester. And if I go outside, if it's cold out, yeah, I freeze.
Could you try again?
Okay, my watch is talking to me now. Thank you. All right. So, but other than that, I absolutely love it. I just took a couple shots, so I'll scoot over and put a couple of pictures over here. You don't really see the shape of the leg that much or the dart in the leg just because the fabric is so drapey. So you don't really get a feel for how barrel shaped they are. But yeah, I love them. I love them. They're so comfortable. And the top, well, it's the Whistler top by Love Notions. I've made it before. This fabric though is not as stretchy as the fabric I made my first one in. So it fits a little tighter. It's not tight, but there's less ease because the stretch is less. And for some reason, the sleeves are really long. And on my other one, they aren't that long. So obviously I shortened them, but forgot to make a note on my pattern piece, which is something I always do. Anywho, so let's do the advent calendar and then I'll tell you all about my plans for this evening. So number 3 has a little doggy on the door. There we go. And it says, a dash of creativity and a sprinkling of grit and you've got ... Let's see. And you've got DIY magic. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Can you even see this? Come on. There we go. Oh, I love these. Very cute. Put these in my little box. All right. So I am getting my second wind. Thank goodness, because I was exhausted at the end of the day and I didn't even know how I was going to stay up tonight past 7 o'clock. But I'm feeling a lot better now that I'm home and I'm changed into comfy clothes and my slippers. I've learned, being back in the office a few days a week now, that the 4.5 years of working from home in flip-flops or slippers, that did something to my feet where I cannot stand real shoes anymore. Like, they hurt my feet. So for the past couple days, and like I was in the office 2 days in a row and I wear little booties, little black booties with, it's not a high heel, it's about this high and it's a block heel. They're very comfortable. Well, they used to be very comfortable. But yeah, by noon-ish, I can't stand my feet in those boots and I just want to put on slippers. Anyways, so I am going to, so after I finish recording this little bit, I'm going to go upstairs and get dinner sorted, clean up. There's a Montreal Canadiens hockey game tonight, so I'm going to watch a little bit of that upstairs with hubby. And then when hubby goes to bed, I'm going to come down here and watch the rest of it down here. But my plan for tonight is to talk to you about my December plans. So what I'm planning to make during the month of December. Now this set was part of my December plans, so check, that's amazing. But I do have other things in mind for the rest of December. So, and I always make a plans video for you all. So I'm gonna do that later today after I come back down here after dinner. Oh, and I'm gonna insert a little clip right now because yesterday I completely forgot, but it was Bear's birthday. So little Bear is 3 years old now. And yeah, I caught a couple of seconds of him being cute and sleepy in the sewing room. So I'm going to insert that now, and I will see you later. Happy birthday. Hey, baby bear. 3 years old. And you're sleeping on my clean gray velvet. Good job. No? See, he's annoyed with me now. When the tail is going, he's annoyed with me. All right, I'll leave you alone. And I'm back. We had a very nice dinner. I cleaned up the kitchen. We watched a couple of periods of the hockey game. And now I'm down here. It is almost 9 p.m. And I've run into a bit of a tech issue. My laptop just died, and the laptop is what I use to edit all these videos and do everything I do for the channel, basically. So I'm panicking a little bit, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to publish this video on my iPad. I do have an appointment at the Genius Bar for tomorrow afternoon, so they can have a look at my laptop. So hopefully I'll be back in business tomorrow night. But anywho, there must be something in the air because so many vloggers have been having tech issues this year. It's the funniest things, like sound issues, language issues. It's just been very, very weird and all over the place this year. But anywho, I said I was going to talk to you about my plans, so I will. I tried to keep the list pretty short because, you know, everything going on in December and Vlogmas and Christmas, and I still have to sew a couple of projects for gifts. I'm not making a lot, but I do have to make a couple. The good news is I don't have to make anything for Marianne in December because she's on vacation from editing duty. I'm editing my own videos for Vlogmas, so she's not getting a garment this month, but yeah. All right, so the first thing on my list, and you will have seen this fabric in the clip right before this one where I wished Bear happy birthday. So this is a gray stretch velvet from Minerva. It's the exact same thing as my loungewear, but in a gray color. It's fabulous. I'm gonna make a Stylark Kira top with this. It's got a beautiful crossover. I think it's gonna make a fabulous top. And if it works out, this will probably be my Christmas Day top. Christmas Day is, or Christmas lunch is at our oldest son, and it's pretty informal in terms of like dressing or dress code. So I'm probably gonna wear some jeans with this, and yeah, it's still gonna look festive, but it's gonna be very, very comfortable and relaxed. So that's project number one. I'm probably gonna have a good amount of this left because I have 4 meters of this. So with the leftovers, I might make myself another pair of lounge pants, or maybe a hoodie or something, but that's not going to be for December, probably in January. So there you go. So that's project number one. Project number two, I've decided to bite the bullet and get this beautiful denim we got in our Think Pink box back in October. So I didn't sew this one up right away because I had no clue what I wanted to make. But then when I went to Charlotte for Frocktails and met up with Christine, I got to try on her Ilford jacket and I fell in love with the style. It's comfortable, but it still looks put together. So this is going to be an Ilford jacket by Friday Pattern Company. I already purchased the pattern. I just need to get this pre-washed and probably a couple of times just to get all of the dye out of it, and then print my pattern and get going on this. I'm super, super excited about having a nice denim, relaxed, casual jacket. I think this will be really, really nice. So that's project number two. And I had this set on my to-do list for December, but that's already done, so there. Then project number 3 is going to be my Think Pink box. Now, it's on its way to me right now. I saw that a few UK-based people have gotten their box already. I've managed to avoid the unboxings, and mine is getting here tomorrow, so on the 4th. And yeah, so I want to sew that up in the month of December. I'm probably going to be doing like the unboxing tomorrow, so you see what's in my box, and then do the reveal of the garment at some point in December during Vlogmas. Fingers crossed that it's something I can use to make for a birthday / Christmas lunch we're having at my dad's on the 21st of December. So that's gonna be project number 3 in terms of, well, probably maybe even project number 2 in terms of priority, if it's fabric suitable for a nice top to go again with a pair of jeans. It's a lunch at my dad's, pretty relaxed, but I still want to look put together and pretty and festive. So those are the top 3, or the 3 must make projects in December. If I have a little bit of time left, because I will be on vacation from the 13th all the way to the 6th of January. So I'm hoping I'm going to have a ton of time to sew, especially that week between Christmas and New Year's. So if I do have time, I'm going to turn this gorgeous cotton sateen from Minerva. This is one of their exclusive prints. I absolutely love this. I'm going to turn this into a Ladera dress by Itch to Stitch. It's a beautiful shirt dress with a really nice tie at the waist. And I'm hoping that that's going to be a style that I'm going to like on me. And then I can wear this if there are any like New Year's Eve events, and probably even wear it to work. Like I can wear a black cardigan on top and make it appropriate for work with black boots. I think that'll be super, super nice. So that's going to be my bonus project for December. And if I don't have time to make it in December, it's going to be at the top of the list for January. And there you go. Those are my plans for December. I usually, in these videos, I usually do a recap of everything I did in November, but that's going to turn this video into something that's way too long to edit on my iPad. So I'm just going to skip that one, and you can go back through my channel and watch the videos I did last month to see everything I did. So I'm going to leave it here for today. Try and get this uploaded and available to you tonight. And I will see you again tomorrow. Have a good one.